Hello friends. Today's topic is taken from modern India. The name of the topic is, was 1857 uprising spontaneous? We will try to find the answer of above question. Karl Marx has shown the parallel between the French Revolution, which took place in 1789, and Indian 1857 revolt. He drew attention to the fact that in France, it was not the peasant but the landed gentry that dealt the first blow in favor of French Revolution. Similarly, in India, it was not the riot or farmers, but well-fed, well-paid and well-looked after soldiers who raised the banner of revolt against their British masters. The historian Kama Maclean has written a fascinating account of the Prayagwal Brahmins of Allahabad. The Prayagwal Brahmins were dissatisfied with the British for imposing tax on the users of Sangam. The Sangam was the confluence of three rivers in Allahabad. Similarly, the Prayagwal Brahmins were also dissatisfied with the Christian missionaries. These Christian missionaries were using the Kumbh Mela and other big fairs and congregations for the purpose of religious conversion or for proselytizing. Prayagwal Brahmins spread in the village and made effective anti-British propaganda among their residents. Their grievances against the British were both economic and religious. The economic status of the Prayagwal Brahmins was directly linked to their exclusive rights over performing rituals for the pilgrims. They had been enjoying these rights from the days of Akbar, the Mughal emperor. While the issue of grease cartridge is generally cited as having incited both Hindus and Muslim soldiers, thus introducing the religious motive behind the mutiny. The role of Prayagwal in fanning out into the countryside and carrying out anti-British propaganda brings out a new aspects of situation. This provides credence to the view that the 1857 uprising was after all not that spontaneous and some serious planning had gone into it. To conclude, 1857 uprising or revolt was well planned and well thought move of the Indian people. Thank you for watching my video.